Hi guys, welcome to Hardreset info. Today I have Realme 12 Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it because you get this notification on your screen. First, go back to the main menu and tap on settings application. In it, we scroll down to additional settings selection and there date and time. As you can see, our set time automatically is off. To fix our problem we need to change it by switch on, and that's all. We can go back and try search something like Facebook and it is working right now. See you soon, bye.